Assalamualaikum dear students, open your science page number 56. Today we are going to start unit number 12, sound. Vibration that travel through the air or another medium and can be heard when they reach a person's or animal's ear. This is called a sound. You know students, sound produced by continuous and regular vibrations. Let's start the book reading. Sound travels from one place to another. If someone is playing a musical instrument, as you can see in this picture, a boy is playing a musical instrument. In one part of a room, the sound that they are producing will travel through the air and can be heard by a person in a different part of the room. How do we hear sounds? Vibrations are steady movements. They are much like the rings of waves created when you throw a stone in a pond. Sounds are vibrations that travel through the air or even through water. When these vibrations reaches our ears, or our ears start to vibrate in the same way. This lets us hear the sound. Sound cannot be seen or held. Instead, it is heard. Sound travels in waves. Different sounds from different type of waves. Low sound have waves that have a large gap between each wave. You can see here low pitch. High sounds have waves that have smaller gap between each wave. You can see here the smaller gap for the high sound, and this is for the low sounds. Students, these are the book reading questions. How do we hear sounds? Sounds are vibrations that travel through the air. When these vibration reaches our ears start to vibrate in the same way. This lets us hear the sound. In which form sound travels? Sound travels in the form of waves. Question number 3. What is the difference between low sound and high sound? Low sound have waves that have a large gap between each wave. You can see here the lower pitch. High sounds have waves that have a smaller gap between each wave. Higher pitch. You can see here the higher pitch. Activity time. Sound waves. Number 1. Take a bowl and cover it with a cling film. You know about the cling film? Cling film is a thin transparent plastic film that adheres to the surface, and it is used as a wrapping or covering for food. Pull it very tightly from all the sides and secure it with a rubber band. It should be very tight and smooth. Now sprinkle some pepper onto the plastic. This is the second step. And make some noise. You can bang a spoon on a metal pot. Surprised! The loud noise you made is a vibration. It travels through the air to the plastic and makes the paper dance. The vibrations of sounds are picked up by our ears. The vibrations travel through our ears. At this stage, they are still vibrations. They are not sound that we can hear. It is the brain that turns the vibration into the sounds that we recognize. Which part of body turns the vibration? Yes, brain. Student must try this activity at home. Number 2. Take a metal coat hanger and a piece of string. Tie the end of the string to each corner of the hanger. Then loop about 6 cm of the string around one index finger and the same length of the string around the other index finger. Put your fingers in your ears and ask someone to bang the hanger against a table. The sound waves from the vibrating hanger travel through the string and into your ear. Try this with a metal spoon too and see if there is difference in the sound. Try this. If you go to a music concert, try sitting very close to the loudspeaker, then move back and sit some distance away. Later go and sit in the last row. Did you notice any difference in the loudness? Student must write this on your book. What difference did you notice in the loudness? Learning is fun. Draw a sound wave of a very low sound. You can see here the sound wave of a very low sound. Draw a sound wave of a very high sound. This is the sound wave of a very high sound. Draw a sound wave of a medium sound. Sound wave of a medium sound. You can see here this is the sound wave of a medium sound. Circle the correct answer. Sound can be seen, touched or heard. Sound can be heard. Sounds walk, fly, travel from one place to another. Sounds travel. Sounds travel from one place to the other. Low sounds have a large gap between each wave than high sounds. Student, this is all about unit number 12, sound. Learn this book reading and also learn the question answers. Write this as homework in your notebook and also learn this.